Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 15 Pro with a cracked display, and David will fix it for us. So let's get started. So this iPhone 15 Pro has a very nasty crack on the front display. You can see there. It's usable. The touchscreen is still working, but it looks ugly, to be fair. And for this smartphone to have this display is kind of a travesty. So we'll need to replace this one. And it's also from a safety point of view, you need to replace a cracked display because it can get cracked even more, and shards of glass can fling to your eye while you're using it on the bed, or it can cut your finger if you have a very thin skin on your fingertips. So from a safety standpoint, from the aesthetic standpoint, you should replace the display if you can. The replacement display for this iPhone 15 Pro was sourced from our reputable suppliers, so they will look exactly like the original factory screens, but there will be an error message when you use this, since Apple serializes parts of the modern iPhones into the main board. So if you try to replace with an aftermarket display, it will pop out a message, but you can still use your smartphone normally. So we have detached the front display. We have removed the two screws behind the lightning port, or in this case maybe this is already USB Type-C, but we'll remove the two connectors, one for the display and one for the Face ID sensor. And we'll remove this component here from the old display. It's got a single screw, and while we disassemble that, we will jump into the testing of our replacement display, because we might have a bad replacement display. So this will prove if this is gonna work with this iPhone 15 Pro. And it looks good. Touchscreen is good. We can't go into the home screen because we don't have the passcode. We'll just use the emergency dialer, and we'll shut this phone down. So unfortunately, we can't do anything more beyond the login screen. So it's good time for us to remove the Face ID module, that one from the old display, and transplant it to the replacement display. The smartphone will still work as what you've seen on the testing. It will still work, but it will not have complete features without this component. So we'll transplant this in. So each generation of iPhones, this component right here gets thinner and smaller, which is good. Plug in the display connector, Face ID connector, and then our very high-tech prop-up tool. Pull it out, 90-degree angle, and we'll put in the bracket or the cover for the main board, and we'll put back all the screws. So that's easy. If you want to DIY this fix, you can do so, but definitely think about the risk and the compatibility issue that may arise if you bought or ordered a replacement display. If you go to your local service technician, they can source the parts for you. If you have problems later on, they can give you warranty or help in further fixing the device. But with Sydney CBD Repair Centre, you're guaranteed to receive a quality repair service for a very reasonable price. If you're not from Sydney though, you can even mail in your broken iPhone and we'll fix it here in the shop and send it back to you once we are done fixing it. So yeah, this is already a Type-C iPhone, which is good. Plug in the charger. It's like nothing happened. This is the before and after. Look at the cracks on that one. So totally worth it. If you're not under Apple Care, go to your local service technician, ask for a quote. Here at Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we give free quotes, free diagnostics on what you need for your iPhone. But if you have a cracked display, this is gonna be the type of service that you get. This is an actual repair service we did for a client. And if you like what we do here, definitely give us a visit. And leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every day. And it helps the business grow and the channel grow. You can also follow us on Instagram or Facebook. We post before and after photos of the smartphones that we fixed there. And definitely message David, since he will be interacting with you personally, giving you quotes and suggestions on what to take for a specific issue with your smartphone. And we'll even throw in a free tempered glass, just like this one. So this is it. We'll just clear up some dust behind the tempered glass, and I hope this inspired you to fix your own iPhone. And we'll see you again next time, guys. Thank you for joining. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.